How to fix a WHEA uncorrectable Erfor when playing Risk of Rain 2 in Steam. 1. Check integrity and stability of installed hardware components in your PC. 2. Update Windows to the latest version. 3. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Disable overclocking in BIOS or UEFI.